Hello, in this video I want to show you how to record screen and take screenshots on iPhone 14 Pro or any other iPhone 14 series. So to do this, let's scroll down our toolbar. Here, make sure that you have screen recording to begin the screen recording. It should start. Now to stop it, simply click on the pause button and stop recording. To add this to your toolbar, you'll need to open the settings, navigate to the control center, and right here we have screen recording. Make sure that it's in included controls and not here. And now to take the screenshot, simply hold the volume up button and the lock button or power key. And that way you'll take a screenshot. Now you can edit it or draw on it, just do whatever you want. Click down to save it and send it to your photos gallery. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.